He has something in his mouth.
Oh, he got a frog probably, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What? Are these like sheep frogs? That's insane, dude. Let's go a little closer. Let's take a look at him. I just want to watch him. He's eating it. I got him on video eating it. That's a garter snake. Oh, I'm not impressed anymore. Let's see if we can see one of those frogs that are sheeping at us. There he is.
Oh, he's a weird.
Yeah. Right there.
Maybe I can catch him.
Yeah. That's cool. Oh, he's
There
gone.
he is.
Yeah. Well, they're like little peepers, but they're sheepers. So I think that was a garter snake.
Yeah.
Some type of one. Okay, let's get out of here.